CryoLogyx makes assay-ready, pre-plated cells for use in biotech R&D, drug screening. In terms of improvement from a technological perspective, if you cryopreserve cells in plates now, your recovery is around about 10%. Use CryoLogyx assay-ready plates, the recovery is sort of mid to high 90% in terms of cell recovery and viability. What that actually translates to in terms of sort of real-world benefits for customers is a 10 times reduction in the amount of prep work required. So instead of several days, you only need several hours. Instead of several hours of actual hands-on time preparing the cells, it's literally a minute or less of work. And then there are also sort of like significant reductions in the amount of plastic waste that gets generated from this. So we think there's up to an 86% reduction in the amount of just single-use plastic that gets used to run an experiment using our products compared to sort of conventional cell culture. We've done 2 rounds of investment now. They've both been really sort of positive experiences that have helped us sort of grow the company, not just in investment, but also in sort of skills and experience. So CryoLogyx is at the stage where we are starting to move product out to customers. In the summer, we built this lab here. This is a pilot manufacturing lab, so not much research, but an awful lot of product development and product manufacturing will be going on here. Advice to myself from a couple of years ago would be focus more on the product and get it out there faster. Don't worry about making something super perfect. Make it like as good as possible and then get it out there in front of people, get that feedback earlier on. Don't be afraid to sort of push to get that feedback, and then because that's the best way to make something really, really good fast. So my first touch point for commercializing this was through the iCure program at Warwick. So we applied to join the iCure program with this idea that we had for sort of assay-ready adherent plates. Got accepted on the program, did customer discovery, which is a 3-month program, sort of talking to sort of industry leaders, CEOs, thought leaders, commercial scientists sort of working at large institutions, startups from all over the world, to basically sort of get commercial feedback on our idea. And then we presented that to a team of investors and then got the go-ahead to apply for Innovate money to actually sort of kickstart the company. Warwick Innovations were sort of a fantastic sort of support partner for launching the company. They helped us raise our initial money, set up the legal structure of the business. They've been absolutely fantastic with sort of all the IP and making sure that's all safeguarded but also usable. All the 101 things that you don't really think about when you want to kind of be obsessed with product, all of the extra sort of the legal bits, the company structure bits, how to run a board meeting, cash flow forecasting, all of these things. Warwick Innovations have been a great partner for that, and basically sort of built the foundations of the business with us.